Here is this interesting app called Yope Memory Diary. It's getting some traction. It's not that popular yet, but who knows? Maybe it will get some traction as similar to Labs app or to Be Real in early days or so on. So that's what it is. Yope is your interactive memory diary designed to rediscover your gallery's hidden gems and strengthen your friendships. On how Yope works. Daily notification. Every day, Yope sends a friendly reminder to you and your friends. Random photo selection. Yope automatically selects random photos from your gallery, turning your memories into a daily treasure hunt. Memory mix up. Feel the excitement that you shuffle through these photos or discovering long lost gems and moments. Pick and share. Select the memories that resonate with you most today and share it with friends just with a tap. Await friends' memories in return. Stay tuned for your friends' memories in return and their responses. Interactive diary. Transform shared memories into lively conversations. So yeah, it's kind of like a mix of Be Real and maybe like Instagram, Google Photos, kind of. So it just suggests you like first of all, of course, you just need to give access to your like photo library, and then it will suggest you a memory per day, like some old photo you might want to remember. And then yes, for example, you open up the app, and then you will receive a notification, and then you just need to tap add your memory here. So something like that, and then you can just tap add. For example, this is just like a random date, random photo. It just has access to my photo library and just picks it up, and then it also adds some a text and images to it, and then you can also send some like to it. You can like it yourself. You can also see some of your memories, some other photos. You can just swipe them around like this. So yeah, that's basically the idea here. Something like that. Then yeah, here you just have your profile. So this is my profile. And this is just like a journal, just like an overview. And then you have like profile settings. And from here also in the bottom, you can choose to delete your account. If you don't like the app, it's actually pretty cool they included it. I like your opinions because it's a part of the discussions. This action cannot be undone, but you'll have 48 hours before you manually execute a request. So then, yeah, they can just delete your account. And then, yeah, this is the profile. So then you can also add friends. You can give access to your contacts, but also you can just search around, search some people. So something like that. Then you just have your photos. Maybe you can add more photos. You can see some other people sharing their photos, something like that. It's kind of like similar to Be Real, but it's not your instant photo. It's just some memory. So it's kind of like Be Real for all photos from your photo library. So yeah, it's an interesting concept. Let's see if it gets some traction. In Be Real, it's just more like, hey, I have 60 seconds or whatever, and I just need to take a photo right now. In this app, it's just your photos. So that's what it is. And a lot of teenagers, I don't know, a lot of people from Poland here and from also Eastern Europe, maybe they're just testing out in those places. Or maybe the app is originally built in Poland, or I don't know. It doesn't get that much traction yet, but yeah, and then you have your profile. What else? I don't know where you can change your username or anything. You can just change your profile picture. You can see who you're following, who is following you. Then if you want, you can just delete your photo. You can always reach out to their support at Salo team. Oh, maybe it's actually Ukrainian company or something. And then you can also download your personal info. If you want, you can delete your account. Yeah, originally I signed up for this app, and there was some kind of wait list around like 20,000 people, and the wait list wasn't moving for like months or so. I was curious what is this app. Maybe there is a huge demand or something. But then eventually I just updated the app, and now it's just accessible. So now I guess everyone can try it. So it's available again in the App Store. Yope Memory Diary. Seems it's not yet that viral. Usually, these kind of teenager apps, um, if they get some traction, they just get some videos on TikTok, and then if some of TikTok videos goes viral, and then another one, and then this kind of teenager apps, social media apps, can really hit the top 10 in the US App Store, like literally in a few days. Like, just have this hype cycle. That's how Be Real started. Originally it was some kind of like weird buggy app, but then like got some few TikTok videos, went to the top charts, then went down, and then in few months went to the top charts again, then went down again. So yeah, that's basically the process. So yeah, that's the idea. So that's basically it. So hope you enjoyed it. Give it a try. I don't know if Yope app is actually available on Android or Google Play Store. I have no idea, but that's what it is.